Hi, my name is Amor and this is my CS50 Final project. Its name is Toolbox. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demo of my project. It's basically a web application that brings together several useful tools that I use on a daily basis. This application is divided into four main categories and I will briefly walk you through each of them. Let's begin with the PDF category. Here we have a PDF merger that you can merge your PDFs using this tool. I'm gonna choose these two PDFs to merge, and this is the result. The second tool in this category is images to PDF, which allows you to convert your images into a single PDF file. I'm going to choose these three images and click PDF. Here's the result. The last tool in this category is a PDF compressor, which decreases the size of your PDF. Let's move on to the next category, which is video tool. Currently, we have a YouTube video downloader, which allows you to download a YouTube video by providing its link. Here you can choose the quality of the video. I'm going to choose this one. Click download. As you can see, the video got downloaded. And the third category in this project is image tools. In this section we have a OCR tool and a QR code generator. Using the OCR tool, you can upload an image and extract the text from it. Here I'm going to select an image and click this.